about it? Going down or going up? Wow. Hang on. Here on top of the mountain of Montserrat. We want to go up more, but it takes a while. It's a long walk. People going up there. We're going down. We're not stopping in this one, no?
What?
We're going down now.
Yeah, it just goes up, doesn't it, even more? I think there's three parts. Basically back down the funicular,
Or
off to the left, and off to the right. How far that goes to the right? Yum yum, you
nice view. There's a lot of this tree. You see the seeds on the floor. A lot. Looks like a face, no? There. The rock.
1405.
It's alright.
Well, no, just.
Look at the rocks. There's something in here. It's like a... What's this?
En mates te apoyas de la pizarra, de hacer dibujos en plan, me acuerdo, en topología, en geometría.